Is it time to buy or sell SoundHound AI stock? In this video, we're diving deep into SoundHound AI. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 25th of June, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since June 25, 2025, our system has ranked SoundHound AI as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.18. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to see how it develops in the days ahead. The stock is currently positioned in the lower range of a very broad and robust upward trend in the short term, which typically presents an excellent buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $8.96 is breached, it would first suggest a deceleration in the rate of increase, but it might also serve as an early warning sign for a potential trend reversal. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible change of nearly 19.62% over the upcoming 3 months, with a projected return ranging from 12% to 58.75%. Looking further ahead, our 12-month analysis predicts a projected change of 35.86%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 24.12% and 295.06% over the next year. In practical terms, this would suggest that the future price may fall between $11.88 and $37.81. Our latest daily update for SoundHound AI includes the headline, Evaluation of SoundHound AI Incorporated stock downgraded after the last trading session. The SoundHound AI Incorporated stock price decreased by 2.55% on the last day, which was Wednesday, the 25th of June, 2025. The stock fell from $9.82 to $9.57. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 9.24%, reaching a low of $9.52 and a high of $10.40. The price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days, resulting in an overall drop of 2.25% during this period. Trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is a positive sign, as volume typically follows stock price movements. On the last day, trading volume fell by 15 million shares, with a total of 33 million shares traded for approximately $319,750,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $24.98, while the lowest was $3.82. Currently, the price is 61.69%, or $15.41, below the 52-week high of $24.98, which is also the all-time high for the stock. SoundHound AI, traded under the ticker SOUN, has experienced a significant decline of 52% in the year 2025, raising concerns among investors. This drop follows an astonishing gain of 1,024% in the previous year, 2024, prompting analysts to categorize it as a risky investment despite its impressive technology in voice recognition. At present, SOUN is navigating a volatile market landscape, further complicated by broader macroeconomic conditions. This situation makes it essential for investors to carefully evaluate both the risks and potential rewards. Recent reports indicate that while artificial intelligence stocks continue to attract attention, SoundHound's high valuation, with a forward price-to-sales ratio of 20.45, exceeds the industry average. Such premium pricing may discourage new investors who might prefer more stable and undervalued options within the AI sector. However, there is a sense of optimism surrounding the tremendous growth potential of the AI industry, with projections suggesting the market could expand into the trillions. Despite the challenges in the short term, this environment may offer a buying opportunity for long-term investors who have confidence in SoundHound's technology. In the near term, the recovery of the stock will hinge on both the stabilization of the market and the company's capacity to continue attracting investment. Overall, the prospects for SoundHound AI are closely linked to its performance in a rapidly evolving AI market, which could play a critical role in redefining its valuation and influencing stock price movements in the future. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, September 18, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned SOUN an underperform grade along with a hold action. On Wednesday, September 18, 2024, it was also reported that Wedbush assigned SOUN a buy grade with a hold action. Additionally, on Wednesday, September 18, 2024, H.C. Wainwright gave SOUN a buy grade while maintaining a hold action. On Friday, August 9, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned SOUN an outperform grade with a hold action. On the same day, Cantor Fitzgerald rated SOUN as overweight with an upgrade action. Analysts have assigned a general strong sell rating to SoundHound AI stock. They regard the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have also rated the stock with a strong sell designation. The following signals have been identified for SoundHound AI. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 13th of June, 2025, and so far it has risen by 5.16%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence short-term developments. The SoundHound AI Incorporated stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average presents a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this creates a broader sell signal for the stock, leading to a more pessimistic forecast. With further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $9.99. Conversely, in the event of a decline, the stock will find support from the short-term average at $9.56. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will introduce another sell signal, reinforcing the general signal. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots. There was a buy signal 8 days ago. Short-term moving average. A buy signal emerged 5 days ago. Long-term moving average. A sell signal was noted 12 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 11 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we can observe the short moving average presented a sell signal 19 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 91 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reflected a buy signal 77 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SoundHound AI. SoundHound AI Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $9.47. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock typically exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with a solid trading volume, the risk is deemed medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated 88 cents between its high and low, representing a change of 9.24%. In the past week, the stock experienced a daily average volatility of 5.98%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for SoundHound AI, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or losses. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and could indicate potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 14th of August, 2025. Analysts currently estimate a consensus of -6 cents. It is important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SoundHound AI. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SoundHound AI is at $9.74. If you do not currently hold any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a strategic point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SoundHound AI faces its first support level at $9.47. Should this support level hold, it might present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for SoundHound AI from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 24th of June, 2025, SROK Diana conducted an insider buy of 2,800 shares of Class A common stock. On the 20th of June, 2025, Mohajer Kayvan executed an insider buy of 240,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the same day, Mohajer Kayvan also conducted an insider buy of 122,712 shares of Class A common stock. Continuing on the 20th of June, 2025, Mohajer Kayvan made another insider buy of 131,664 shares of Class A common stock. On that same day, Imami Majid conducted an insider buy of 80,000 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of 0.000. Overall, insiders purchased 0 shares and sold 0 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is SoundHound AI stock a good buy? SoundHound AI Incorporated presents several negative signals, leading us to believe that its performance will remain weak in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have revised our analysis conclusion from a hold or accumulate stance to a sell candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, June 26th, we anticipate that SoundHound AI will open higher by $0.26 and begin trading at $9.83. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Your investment decisions should not be solely based on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with warm regards from everyone here at Stock Invest.